attitude. Now this brings us to another one of my favorite topics, and it's faith and infinite intelligence. There's a couple angles to my favorite topic here. One is faith. I like the principle of faith. And the other is infinite intelligence. I like the thought of infinite intelligence. Now, faith is woven into every principle of the philosophy of achievement. Faith is the essence of every great achievement, no matter what its nature or purpose. Neglecting your faith while carrying out your definite major purpose would be like trying to study astronomy without referring to the stars. Faith is so important that it is actually one of the other 17 principles of success and will be covered in more detail in the following chapter. Faith in infinite intelligence inspires faith in other human beings as well, and confidence begets confidence. Those who have faith in infinite intelligence, faith in themselves, and faith in others inspire others to have faith in them. The greatest outlet for the expression of initiative, imagination, enthusiasm, self-reliance, and definiteness of purpose is faith. The human mind is an intricate machine designed to accomplish things. The power that operates this machine comes from outside the mind, and faith is a master gate through which we gain full and free access to that tremendous power. The mechanism which opens that gate is desire or motive. There is no other way to open the gate. It is opened by degrees which are dependent on the intensity of those same motives and desires. Only a burning desire will open the gate to its fullest. A burning desire is accompanied by deep emotional feeling. Sheerly logical motives do not open the gate as widely as those which spring from the heart. Faith wipes out obstructions like tolerance by freeing your mind of human limitations. For what is intolerance but a closed mind? Just as darkness is dispelled by a simple light, so intolerance is eliminated by opening the mind to the influx of power that gives the brain the vision to encompass of all life's realities instead of just a few of them. Faith provides us with the widest perspective on the world about us and the people who live in it. That perspective paves the way for a better understanding of all human relationships. Thus, faith supports all the traits of an attractive personality. It also gives us power to see past worldly obstacles, to envision new solutions and new ideas on our paths to individual achievement. As one man has aptly stated, where faith is the guide, the individual cannot lose his way. The power of faith is inexhaustible. It is the ultimate renewable resource, a reflection of the Creator's desire that we use it in every way possible. Faith's power is easily attained by any person. No fee must be paid. It is simply appropriated through the desire for its use. The only things over which you have complete control are your thoughts. The only real privacy you have is in your mind. It is there that you make full and complete use of the power of faith to remove limitations from your mind. And I agree. I mean, faith is a state of mind which you can develop by conditioning your mind. And if you think in terms of receiving infinite intelligence, you can condition your mind faithfully towards that as well. Applied faith is the adaptation of the power received from infinite intelligence to a definite major purpose. So applied faith is adapting that power and that you receive from infinite intelligence and adapting it towards your definite major purpose. So that stuff's real, guys. Infinite intelligence is real. The works of Napoleon Hill have been based on infinite intelligence, and if you want to dig deep into that fact, you can go to my page www.facebook.com/etherspace. That's AETHERSPACE. Moving on, a keen sense of justice. Unless you deal justly with others, you cannot hope to either cultivate an attractive personality or succeed in your definite major purpose. The essential component of a keen sense of justice is a dedication to intentional honesty. Many people are honest for the sake of expediency, but this kind of honesty is so flexible that it can be contorted to serve any situation which furthers their interests. By cultivating frankness of speech, you are already taking an important step in practicing intentional honesty. We must adhere to that honesty so closely that we practice it under any circumstance, whether or not it promises us any immediate gain. Even if a keen sense of justice prevents us from seizing every opportunity, it carries with it a host of practical benefits. 1. It establishes the basis of confidence, without which we cannot have an attractive personality. 2. It builds fundamentally sincere and sound character. 3. It not only attracts people, but offers opportunities for real and lasting personal gain. 4. It builds your sense of self-reliance and self-respect. 5. It strengthens your relationship with your conscience, and thus allows you to act more promptly since your motives and desires are clearer. 6. It attracts worthwhile friends and discourages your enemies. 7. It opens your mind to faith. 8. It protects you from destructive controversies. 9. It inspires you to move toward your definite major purpose with greater personal initiative. A keen sense of justice is not merely a tool for gaining material rewards. It enhances every human relationship. It discourages avarice and selfishness and gives you a much better understanding of your rights, privileges, and responsibilities. With it, every aspect of an attractive personality grows stronger. I imagine with a keen sense of justice that people are going to be able to pick up on that real quick about you. So having that keen sense of justice will essentially, it'll serve us well. That's awesome.